Pythons. The very name conjures images of immense scaled creatures lurking in the shadows. They are the silent hunters, the constrictors of myth and legend. These extraordinary serpents, found across Africa, Asia, and Australia, are a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world. Their world is one of stealth and patience, of ambush and immense strength. Pythons are non-venomous, relying instead on their powerful bodies to subdue their prey. They lie in wait, often camouflaged amongst the undergrowth, waiting for the opportune moment to strike. Their strike is swift, a blur of muscle and scales. Once they have a firm grip on their prey, they wrap their coils tightly around it, constricting with incredible force. Death, contrary to popular belief, is not caused by crushing. The python's grip prevents the prey from breathing, leading to asphyxiation. It is a remarkably efficient method of hunting, honed over millennia of evolution. Pythons, despite their fearsome reputation, are an integral part of the ecosystem, playing a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of nature. The relationship between predator and prey is a complex and fascinating one. It is a dance of power, of life and death, played out across the grand stage of the natural world. The python, in this dance, is a master of patience and strategy. It may wait for days, even weeks, for the right opportunity to present itself. When a suitable prey animal, be it a rodent, a bird, or even a larger mammal, wanders too close, the python springs into action. Its strike is lightning fast, its jaws lined with rows of sharp, backward-curving teeth that ensure a secure grip. The python's body, a symphony of muscle and sinew, coils around its prey, constricting with each exhale of the unfortunate victim. It is a scene both brutal and awe-inspiring, a testament to the raw power of nature. The python, however, is not driven by malice. It is simply following its instincts, fulfilling its role in the intricate web of life. This dance of power, though seemingly cruel, is essential for the health of the ecosystem. The relationship between pythons and humans is, at times, a fraught one. These magnificent creatures, though often feared, are an integral part of many cultures and ecosystems around the world. In some regions, they are revered as symbols of power and wisdom, their presence seen as a sign of good fortune. In others, they are viewed with suspicion and fear, their size and strength leading to misunderstandings and conflict. Human encroachment on python habitats, driven by expanding populations and development, has led to an increase in human-wildlife interactions. Pythons seeking food and shelter may venture into villages and towns, often with unintended consequences. These encounters can be frightening for both parties involved, highlighting the importance of understanding and respect. It is crucial to remember that pythons, like all wild animals, are best observed from a safe distance. Education and awareness are key to fostering coexistence. By learning about python behavior, we can mitigate conflict and ensure the well-being of both humans and these incredible reptiles. The python, throughout history, has been a potent symbol in mythology and folklore. Across cultures, it is often associated with wisdom, transformation, and the cyclical nature of life. There is much we can learn from these remarkable creatures if we are willing to look beyond our fears and appreciate their unique place in the world. The python teaches us patience, the ability to wait for the opportune moment to strike. It embodies resilience, the capacity to adapt and thrive in challenging environments. And perhaps most importantly, it reminds us of the interconnectedness of all living things, the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. As we navigate an increasingly complex world facing unprecedented environmental challenges, the wisdom of the serpent takes on a new urgency. It is a call for us to reconnect with nature, to learn from its rhythms and cycles, and to find harmony in our relationship with the wild. For in the survival of the python, we may find a reflection of our own.